Shinee! Oh, hi everyone! I'm Nini. Today I'm at the store to buy some fruits to take to Shinee's house. Come with me to pick some fruits. Wow, look at these colorful fruits. They look so yummy. Haha. Okay, let's pick banana, lemon, and pineapple. Look, all yellow fruits. Next, we will get watermelon, strawberry, apple, grapes, pear, and orange. Wow, look, we picked so many fruits. Great. La 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 la. Oh, Woody, are you here to buy fruits too?
Oh yes, Nini. I'm going to visit Shinee later and will bring some fruits. I want to pick a durian and a peach. Okay, I picked mine.
Okay, let's pay then go to Shinee's house together.
Wow, Nini and Woody, thank you for bringing so many fruits. I will make some fruit dishes for you to taste.
Wow, that's great. Thank you, Shinee.
What fruits do you want to pick? Let's pick these two first. Nini and Woody, what fruits are these? This is a peach. Oh, it's so squishy. So much fun. Does this durian have spikes? Oh, no, because this is a toy durian. A real durian has a hard shell with lots of spikes. So interesting.
Peaches are yummy fruits that make you feel happy and calm. They have a soft, fuzzy skin like a blanket.
Durians are big fruits with a strong smell. They have a hard, spiky shell on the outside. Inside, the fruit is soft and creamy.
Oh, they're turning to puzzle pieces. Let's put them back in the puzzle. Durian. Where does this go? Ah, here. And then turn it over. Done. Peach. Does this piece go here? Oh no, it goes here. Great job. Now let's make a cake with lemon. We have all the ingredients ready. First, we pour in the flour. Then add sugar. Pour in the milk. Crack an egg. And squeeze in fresh lemon juice. It makes the cake light and soft. Now, we mix the batter until it's smooth. Great! Now we pour it into the cake pan and put it in the oven to bake. Close the oven door and turn it on. Wow, the cake is baked. Now we take it out. The cake looks yummy. But today we are making a fruit cake. So let's decorate it with fresh fruits. Let's use orange and banana. Cut the orange into small pieces. Then slice the banana. And add some red cherries. Alright, let's decorate the cake. Put the orange on the right, banana on the left, and cherry in the middle. Wow, our fruitcake is done. It looks so pretty. Nini and Woody, here's the fruitcake I made for you.
Wow, I like cherries because they are sweet and juicy.
Bananas are a great snack because they are easy to peel and eat. Oranges are full of vitamins to help us stay healthy and strong.
Nini and Woody, can you name the fruits we use for the cake?
Yes, they are orange, banana,
cherries, and lemon.
Oh, they're turned into puzzle pieces. Let's put them back in the puzzle. Lemon. Where does this piece go? Oh, it goes in the top left corner. Banana. Do you see the banana shape? Is it in the bottom right corner? Oh, that's correct. Good job. cherries. Can you find this place? Where could it be? Oh, I see it. It's above the durian. Orange. It's round. Does it go here? Oops, no. Oh, is it here? Ah, that's right. Great job. Now let's make the second fruit dish using grapes. First, turn on the stove and heat up the frying pan. Put the grapes in and cook until they melt. Look, the grapes have turned into jam. Take it out and let it cool down. Next, we will make strawberry jam. Cook the strawberry until it melts. Done. Take it out and set it aside. Now, let's toast some bread. Put the bread in the toaster and turn it on. It's done. Take out the toasted bread. Now we can spread the fruit jams we made on the bread and enjoy it. First, spread the strawberry jam. Done. Then spread the grape jam. Nini and Woody, come and try the jams I just made.
Wow, it's delicious. Grapes can also be eaten fresh or dried to make raisins.
This strawberry jam is sweet and yummy. Strawberries grow on small plants close to the ground and are great for making yummy desserts.
Oh, thank you for your compliments. Let's put them back into the puzzle. Grapes. Do you see the shape of the grapes? Is it here? No. Oh, turn it around and it's right. Nice. Strawberry. Where should this go? Ah, here it is. Right. Great job. Now let's mix some watermelon juice. First, cut the watermelon and put it in the blender. Then turn it on. Look, the watermelon has turned into juice. Now we can pour it out and enjoy it. Let's cut the remaining fruits to eat. Pineapple. Apple. Pear. It's done. Nini and Woody, come taste the fruits with the watermelon juice.
Wow, this apple is crunchy and juicy. Pineapples are tropical fruits that love warm weather. Pears are a good source of fiber, which helps our tummies.
This watermelon juice is so fresh and sweet. Watermelons are full of water, which helps us stay hydrated. They are perfect for hot summer days.
Fruits are full of vitamins that help us stay healthy.
Yes!
Let's put them back into the puzzle. Watermelon. Oh, it's clearly here in the bottom left. Apple. Where should it go? Ah, here it is. Great job. Pear. Oh, it's here, right on top. Lastly, pineapple. It goes right in the middle. Well done! Wow, look! We finished the fruit puzzle together and learned about fruits. That was so much fun! I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you want to watch more fun videos, remember to subscribe to the channel. See you next time at Shinee! Bye-bye!